Yeah, this was that really good one I got this morning, and it's so interesting to watch it. What your view is when you're on the wave is so different from what it looks like from the shore. This wave was really late, and I was trying to get my rail in the water and come straight down the wave. The whole reason it was a late drop was because I got on my rail and it actually turned me, but it set me up for a very dramatic drop. Look at that. Ah! Off my board pretty much right there, and then I kind of landed back on it. And there's a big spitter right here. All the force of the barrel just gets blown out right here. Like a fire hose. We call it spitting with it. It gets so hollow in the tube, and there's nowhere for all that air and power to go and all that energy, and it just basically gets blown out the end of it. And it can sting pretty bad, and in fact, if it's strong enough, if it's powerful enough, it can actually blow you off your board. Really cool wave, just set up really nicely.